So to complete a table, I use mode 3, and I want x cubed subtract 5x plus 2, going from negative 3 up to positive 3 in steps of 1. And my calculator should give me the right numbers: negative 10, 4, 6, 2, negative 2, 0, 14. And I can plot those to make my graph. If x equals 1 is one of the solutions, when I put 1 into the equation, it will be true. So if I put 1 cubed minus 6 lots of 1 plus m, that must equal 0. 1 cubed is 1, 6 ones are 6, so m must equal 5. To solve this equation, I'm going to try and compare it to the graph I've got. So the x cubeds are still the same. If I add an x to both sides, I'll go from minus 6x to minus 5x, and if I subtract 3 from both sides, I'll go from plus 5 to plus 2. So I need to draw the graph of x minus 3. So x minus 3 is here. It goes through the same point at 1. And then it crosses again over here, which is at negative 2.7. This is let then hence. Let x equal 0.26 with a single dot. I've only got one dot, so I'm going to multiply it by a single 0. So 0.26 with a dot, I'm multiplying that by 10, and I get 2.6 with a dot. 10x take x is my 2.6 with a dot, minus 0.26 with a dot. 10x take an x is 9x. 2.6 with a dot subtract 0.26 with a dot is 2.4. Opposite of multiply by 9 is divide by 9. So I've got 2.4 over 9. My calculator confirms that that is the same as 4/15. We need to turn this into an equation. So Q is means equals, inversely proportional is k times 1 over t squared. Then I put my numbers in. So Q is 320. When t is 0.5. The opposite of multiplying is to divide. I'm going to do 320 over 1 over 0.5 squared. It tells me that k equals 80. So my formula is Q equals k, well I now know that's 80 times 1 over t squared. So, probability cycles is 0.6, which leaves 0.4 for the bus. When he cycles, he's late 0.1, which leaves 0.9 for not late. When he goes by bus, the probability of being late is 0.3, so not late is 0.7. Cycles and is late for work. Cycles and is late for work. We need to multiply those two values. He's not late for work. Well, there's two ways that can happen. If he cycles and is not late, or if he takes the bus and is not late. So for histograms, I'm going to need a frequency density column, which is the group width. So 10 to 20 is a gap of 10, frequency divided by group width. (20 to 25), that's a gap of 5. 24 divided by 5 is 4.8. This is a gap of 15. 50 to 80 is a gap of 30. So here I've got the 20 to 25, and I know that's 4.8 high. So that must be 4, 3, 2, 1. So my first bar needs to go up to 3.8. Second bar's done, third bar goes up to 4.2. Fourth bar's gone up to 3.1. And my last bar goes up to 0.8. To get back to the frequency, I'm going to multiply, so 3.1 multiplied by the gap between 40 and 50, which is 10, so 31.